everyone. I'm going to show you how to make another type of doll pillow. This one's a bigger one. So for this, you're going to need to sacrifice an old squishy. This one's really squishy. And a pair of doll clothing. You're going to need to cut off the sleeves. I use this fuzzy pink. It probably looks white to you, but it's like a pale pink in real life. I swear, it's pale pink. It just looks like white on the camera. It's really fuzzy. So you're going to need to take your squishy and take your little first sleeve, and slide the squishy in. Give it a nice cozy home. It's really nice. And then you're going to take so you're going to flip it like this, and you're going to slide the other one over like this. This part is a bit harder, but you're just going to pull it in. And since the squishy expands, it should go to the right size. There we go. And you have a squishy, easy doll pillow. And also, probably going to show this in another video that I'm going to post right after this. I'm going to show you how to make this little chair. And also, I also made a rug out of that doll jacket. So, matching pillow and rug. Bye guys. I know this is a really quick tutorial, but I need to post something so I can keep my YouTube career up, even though I don't earn anything. It's just for fun. I want to get this video to 2 minutes.